Hey there, hope you are doing fine during this virus turmoil. Please hang on for a short period of time and I believe it will be disappear. Here we have brought you this video of introducing wide ABT style body kit. Your car should be like this now. But replacing the body kits I'm about to introduce, your car will be converted like this. You will have a cooler ride without costing too much. This kit fits from 2008-2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. No need any modification, it's plug and play. This kit includes the emblem, chromed grille, rear lights, front bumper, and splitter. These are wheel fender flares, door panels, and seal rubbers. This is the back lip. The reflectors in it, you are supposed to use your current ones. The material is PP, as same as the OEM factory material, flexible and strong. Here are some main accessories. These colors are only basic primer. You can spray the color of your car or any color you prefer. Thanks for your watching and stay safe.